I've always been amazed by the creativity and uniqueness of other people's workspace setups. Watching hours of videos of those who put in the effort to create their own perfect workspace has been a huge inspiration for me. As a result, I've been very motivated to start creating my own dream workspace and gaming space. I decided that the perfect starting point of this journey is to create my own custom standing desk that's just right for me and my needs. In this video, I'm going to show you my process on how I built that. If you're in a similar journey as me, or even if you haven't started yet, I hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. So come and join me as I show you how I built my custom standing desk.
For the standing desk frame, I went ahead and got the Ikea electric standing desk frame from Amazon. The reason I bought this frame was because it seemed like a good deal at the time that I got it. It's a dual motor that only costed me $220, which is a little cheaper compared to the other similar options out there. There's even a built-in timer that you can activate for 30-minute intervals. Plus, the control panel has a USB-C port that can serve as a charging port for my devices. First, I double check if all the components are complete, which they are. So, the first thing I did was to connect one of the leg columns to the frame. I made sure the screw holes on the column was aligned with the frame and used the right screws to secure it. I repeated the same steps for the other leg. The next step was to slide the side bracket into the frame and again screw it nice and tightly. From here, I was now able to slide the center rails into the frame much easily. Just take note that the open part of the center rails should be inward and facing each other. Lastly, I can now attach the feet to the leg columns. Unfortunately, the caster wheels were not included in the package, so I had to get those separately. It took me 2 wrong orders to finally get the right stem size for the wheels. I'll include the link below if you're planning to have the same setup. And voila! That's how I assembled the Ikea standing desk frame.
I want to emphasize that you don't have to get the same brand as I have, but I do want to highlight the benefits of having a standing desk. For the desktop, I chose the Ikea Karlby Countertop. After measuring the space where I wanted my desk to go, and after doing a lot of research online, this seemed like the only option that fit my needs in terms of size and color. It was as if the tabletop was made specifically for my needs.
I asked for my wife's help to flip the table down and place the frame upside down on top of it. I used the painter's tape as a guide to see how wide my cabinets were.
This helped me adjust the center rails and ensure that the cabinets were not going to hit the side brackets whenever it was lowered in its lowest position. Doing this also made the desktop look like it was integrated with the cabinets.
After deciding where I wanted the control panel to go, I used a steel hole punch marker tool to precisely mark the pilot holes I'm about to drill. Then here, I was predetermining where I'll be putting up the cables once I've attached the countertop to the frame. To finish, I finally screwed the frame to the desktop. You can do this while the table is still facing down. I just prefer to do it in this position. Just a few days ago, this space was looking like this to this.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
And there you have it, a fully assembled Ikea electric standing desk with an Ikea Karlby countertop. Again, I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. In my next video, I'll be showing you the cable management that I did underneath my desk right here. And I'm gonna give my very first desk tour. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on my future videos. Thank you for watching, take care, stay productive, and keep getting better.
Never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes.